Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channels. And here is Malta Valletta waterfront, and is a scenic coastal landscape. And I'm gonna show you around how to get to Gozo from here. This is the fast ferry station. So we took off, and there we go. We are already on the ferry. As you can see, the views of the ferries, whereby you see it's really conducive and very comfortable. I actually went with my friend, and that's the view from the inside of the sea. And here we go, we're already in Gozo here. As you can see, the landscape, the beautiful view of the Gozo, and that is it. The motor transportation bus really looks so comfortable as well, and also you can see the view of the beautiful city of Gozo in case you are looking forward to go there. And here we are in Ramla Bay, a very beautiful beach. In summertime, this is July, it's always very busy if you are looking to go. And also, we also have a look into the cliff, the cave was really nice. From the view of the beach, you can see the cave from above. And me and my friend, we actually looked around, whereby we managed to climb and go straight up to that cave. And it was really amazing. It's something you need to have a look. Imagine you are viewing the beach and the whole water from this view. It was really amazing, and it's more like a relaxing place. And if you just like anything top high hill places, I feel like it's a wonderful, a beautiful landscape in Gozo. Just to let you know, it was just like a 2 hours trip, and there we go. We are back. 30 minutes go, 30 minutes back to Malta. If you really enjoyed this video, please feel free to subscribe and like and encourage me to make more videos. Please, I really appreciate you watching this video. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it.